Jackie Crawford, you are like a cheetah. The way you fly through the air chasing your breakaway calf is just as graceful as a cheetah chasing its prey. As soon as a cheetah catches a glimpse of its prey, it's gone. Just how you are when you nod your head and leave the box to rope your calf. The cheetah's rippling muscles give off its dangerous appearance. Its powerful paws gripping the earth shows the strength it has to chase down its prey. That being said, Jackie Crawford, will you give me the power to tell this story?
And the winner is Haley Hutchings.
Wait, pause. Let's go back to how we got to this moment.
First day on the ranch, isn't this great?
This is amazing. Oh, look at these boots. These are great grandma Carrie's. Oh, wow. She must have had a Red Bull addiction.
Oh, that's so cool. I'm gonna miss her.
Me too.
Bro, look at this.
This is the rope that great grandpa John used?
Yeah, it is. It's the one he used at the NFR when the bull escaped.
He signed the beast with that.
Yeah,
That's so
crazy.
cool.
That's crazy.
Oh, look at all this tack. This is amazing.
That's awesome. Bro, look at this.
Oh my goodness.
Do you know how much one of these costs nowadays?
So expensive?
Gosh, that's crazy.
Alright, well, we better go exercise our horses.
All right. Oh crap, spears are out. Shit.
Oh, there's your wall.
How much do you think?
Let's go check the mail, Haley.
All right, I'll drive.
We have some mail.
It says it's from the county.
That's interesting.
I wonder what it is.
Me too.
Dear Johnson family, this is Shasta County informing you that you have to pay a loan of $50 million. If you're not able to meet this pay requirement, the ranch will be taken from you. You have 1 month to come up with this money. If unable to meet the pay requirement, the ranch will be taken from you and you will be evicted immediately. We'll use the land to build a new neighborhood for the people in need of housing. Your great-grandpa John borrowed the money from us in 1980 and has yet to pay it back. The money was used to build the housing and barns on the property. We have given him more than enough time to come up with this money and meet the pay requirement. Since you inherited the ranch, it is now your responsibility to pay the loan back. Sincerely, Beth from Shasta County.
Well, what are we gonna do now that the county's came?
I don't know, dude. I don't know what we're gonna do.
This is really bad news.
Yeah. Gosh, there's the loan they're asking for to save the ranch is ridiculous. Like, where are we supposed to get $50 million?
This Red Bull is good. Grandma Carrie was right.
Yeah.
Do you hear that? What is that sound?
Oh yeah, I hear it now.
Cadence, Haley, you guys have got to enter the American. It's the only way to save the ranch, but you gotta win. The county won't take it away from you. It'll put a barrier on around the place.
Isn't that crazy how we're gonna have to win the American to save the ranch now?
I know, that's crazy. We're gonna have to go through so many jackpots and rodeos. I can't believe this. We've hardly even had this ranch and now we're facing all these difficulties.
I know, and neither of us have barely rode.
This is
Like-
crazy.
The American's at a professional level, and neither of us are gonna be professional. We're gonna have to get this down in like a few months.
How are we gonna be able to do this?
It's gonna take a lot of work.
The way she swings her rope is like a tornado. It is powerful, with the whipping winds created from the vertex of its circles, around and around until it's unleashed, flying through the air until it hits the ground, just as the rope does before the slack is pulled out.
First jackpot of the season. How you feeling?
I'm pretty nervous. How about you?
Well, I'm just gonna go out there and try and give it my best.
Hopefully we do well. It'll be
Yeah.
great.
Hopefully.
Well, let's go run.
All right, sounds good.
Yeah, that's my old girlfriend. Saw her when she walked in. Her hair's a little longer, but she's still looking stronger than sin. No, I don't care if you buy her a drink, but she's not the kind of girl you think. Oh, 'cause back when we were loving, she...
I ain't trying to fix her, I just wanna kiss her, fuel a little fire in her soul. But we don't say forever, but when we're together, swear that we ain't ever let me go. 'Cause she knows I keep the windows down and the wind in her hair, keep her heart hanging on round every turn. She ain't scared to get tied down, scared to...
Well, that didn't go as planned.
I know. That was a kind of a bad run.
I know. Well, at least we got one out of the way.
Yeah.
Well,
We
well-
got a lot of other jackpots we can head to. So
Yeah, it was a good
We'll
confidence
just keep
builder.
practicing and maybe our next jackpot will be better.
Yeah, hopefully.
Up and down Broadway on my old stud Leroy, and the girls say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Everybody says, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Well, I don't give a dang about nothing. I'm singing and bling blinging while the girls are drinking. Long necks down, and I wouldn't trade old Leroy or my Chevrolet for your Escalade or your freak parade. Hustlers shooting 8-ball, throwing darts at the wall, feeling damn near 10 feet tall. Here she comes, Lord help us all. OTW's girlfriend done slapped him out his chair. Poor old boy, it ain't his fault. It's so hard not to stare at that honky-tonk, but donk-a-donk. Keeping perfect rhythm, make you wanna swing along. Got it going on like Donkey Kong. And ooh, shut my mouth, slap your grand. Out in the country, past the city limit sign, where there's a honky-tonk near the county line. The joint starts jumping every night when the sun goes down. They got whiskey.
Well, I went down to the Grundy County auction, where I saw something I just had to have. My mind told me I should proceed with caution, but my heart said go ahead and make a bid on that. And I said, hey, pretty lady, won't you give me a...
She grew up in the city in a little subdivision. Her daddy wore a tie, mama never fried a chicken. Ballet, straight A's, most likely to succeed. They bought her a car after graduation, sent her down south for some higher education, put her on the fast track to a law degree.
There's a party going on around town. It's one rowdy cowboy throwdown here in H-Town, where we're stronger than a hurricane.
Oh, dang, I forgot my boots.
Oh my goodness, what are we gonna do? Wait, here's Grandma Carrie's boots. Maybe they'll give you better luck in the run.
Sweet. I'll put these on.
Haley's top qualities are eager to learn, has natural talent, super nice to anyone and is always willing to help, and has a really strong work ethic.
I'm coming in hot.
The way her horse runs around the barrels like a cloud floating through the air, gliding through the air, never touching the ground, blown by the winds of God, so did thunder float through the obstacles of rodeo heaven.
And the winner is Haley Hutchings.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe you just did that.
I know, it's crazy.
The ranch is gonna be safe now.
I know. And now I don't have to pay that $50 million loan.
This is amazing.
Bro, look at how cool that is.
That's gorgeous. Good job, I'm so proud of you.
Thanks.